pintail, female pintail, another female. The male is pretty. Male pintail. And then we have over here there is a cold blue. It's very cold. It's cold out today. There's another pintail couple. Their faces are always in the water. He's pretty. Oh, the sun is out. So pretty. Oh, hi, buddy. Mama over there. There's pintails out of the water. Ooh. The males are being dicks. Awesome. Aww. Show you that. Ooh, look at him. He's in the sun.
Who?
The pintail.
Yeah, look at him.
Oh, the green-winged teal.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's nice.
Wow. I never got a picture that good of one.
These fucking evolved things.
Oh my God.
What?
That guy flying?